Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to know how can you hide your online status on your Snapchat app or account, today in this video I'll show you exactly how. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. You open your Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat here, and you need to make sure the app is up to date for everything to run smoothly in the process. Once you have that done, you can quit from the store, and of course now we go ahead and open Snapchat. Wait for it to load up just like that, and of course you have to be logged into your account. Once you log in, you need to go to your account or basically your profile. So you tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner, and here we go from here. So what you need to do now is to go to settings. You tap on the gear icon that should be in the top right corner of your screen right there, and then from here you scroll down until you find something that says activity indicator or something like that. So it should be under privacy controls, and here it is, activity indicator, that one right there. You go ahead and open it. By default it's going to be turned on, and if it is turned on, that means people on Snapchat, basically your friends, can know when you were recently active. And if you want that to change, or you don't want that to be the case, you simply turn off that toggle, and you can turn it on and off whenever you want, so you can go ahead and do whatever you want with that. However, you can quit from here if that isn't working for you. So if you have it off and people still see you on, you can go tap and hold on your Snapchat app and tap on that eye, and then from here tap on clear cache and data, and then tap on manage space, and make sure you delete all of these data right here. So that gives you a basically fresh start on Snapchat app. You can go ahead and open it, and you'll have to log back into your account and then follow the same steps and go back to this place and then turn it off from there, and that should fix your problem. And just like that, that's how you turn off activity indicator on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you so much for watching.